Hello fam, join me as I make this small turning of porridge cocoyam for my baby boy. To have cocoyam in this country is really a tit for tat. So when I went to the market, I saw it. I was so happy. I said, oh.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, ba. Welcome to the flavors, come and take a seat. Flora kitchen where the good vibes meet. From Cameroon pots to the world we rise. Spices in the air, you can taste the sunrise. Easy, tasty, cooking with love. Every single dish is a gift from above. We stir it, fry it, bake it with pride. One big family, come on, step inside.
So I peeled the cocoyam already, and inside I put in some water and blended ginger, garlics, and onions with a little chili. Since I'm training my son how to eat spicy food, yes, that's what I do. I train him how to eat spicy food, so that any food I'm cooking or eating, he should be eating it too. I don't have that chance to go and be making special baby food for baby. No, they eat what I eat. That's how my mother grew me up. Okay, so I have to also train my children as such. And it's, even though it's spicy, but it's moderate. It's not too spicy. Okay guys, so I have here, I don't have bitter leaf per se that we always combine with this food, this kind of food. I have Chinese curry, we call it curry, right? So I already blanched the vegetable, and here is fried fish which I deboned already. I'm using the fried fish because I don't have dry fish, so that's the life we have here in this part of the world. You make use of what you have, okay? I never wanted to even make this video, but Auntie Cherish, I'm making the video. I hope see I had those sweet dreams. You insisted I should make a video. I was like, make the video kind of. So finally I'm doing it, and I'm happy doing it. Thank you, Auntie Cherish. Okay, so here is the fried fish and the spices which I already mixed inside there. And guys, guess what is this? This is crayfish. This country will never cease to amaze me. They color their crayfish in this country. They color their crayfish. I'm telling you. So this is the orange color crayfish. We have red color crayfish and orange color crayfish, and even a normal crayfish. But this is what I bought because the woman didn't have what I was looking for, the normal crayfish. So I'm making use. So guys, this is a crayfish I just washed. I'm going to rinse it. Can you see the color that is coming out of my food? Oh, I miss my Cameroon. Have good quality, in fact, crayfish. See the color that is coming out from that crayfish. So guys, that's the crayfish I blended. I'm just going to pour it back inside.
Every meal we make brings a smile to you.
Porridge.
Taste the journey, taste the love, taste the blessings from above.
Okay, so
Cooking simple,
after that,
cooking right.
I'm making this porridge to be soupy because when I want to feed my baby, I have to press it and I'll make a soup. Okay, so that's why I'm making it very soupy. And I'll also just add in the fish. I'll add in the fish at this point, so that the last thing will just be the vegetable, which after everything is ready, I'll just use it to garnish it. Okay guys, so I'll bring in the deboned fish. You can use any fish of your choice, any dry fish which is available for you. I always like to make use of what I have. Okay, I'm going to be stirring that. I really hope that I don't eat this cocoyam more than whom I am preparing it for. Oh my god. Taste and make some adjustment. So guys, I'm going to cover that to boil for about 5 minutes or 10 before I add in my palm oil. So we are going to check our pot that has been boiling for some minutes. Give that a good stir, and next I will going to add in this flavor, which is my crunchy onions. Guys, tell me, is there any turning cocoyam without crunchy onions? If there's any cocoyam without crunchy onions, it means that cocoyam is not complete though. It means that cocoyam is not complete. So I'm going to put in this African magic in it. Only the scent. It's like you're eating equan. So that's our brown crunchy onions. So mix that. Just put in little since the quantity is not much. Yes, this is how potty I want this cocoyam to be. Potty cocoyam, so that my baby will eat the soupy very well. So now I'm going to be bringing in my palm oil, guys. Palm oil. Yes, my palm oil. You know what palm oil can do in our food? That taste. Cameroon, Africa as a whole is blessed. I will not lie to you. No combination of food. Guys, this palm oil I'm going to put in this food, like as you're seeing, is going to change the whole game. Ow! Can you feel this food? It's like something is happening here. Oh my gosh! Ow! Guys, that is my new cocoyam porridge. Taste the journey, taste the love, taste the blessings from above. Yeah. So guys, everything has been adjusted. The taste, everything in this food has been adjusted. Okay, so I'll just let that cook again a little so that the oil will get ready. Then I'll add in the last thing, which is our vegetable to garnish it. Okay, so guys, it's time for me to add in the vegetable. Okay, just stir that and turn off the heat. My god, guys, if you get the aroma that is coming out of this kitchen, you want to go and look for cocoyam and make this food. Even if you prepare it last week, just by getting the same aroma, you want to go and prepare the same vegetable. So our food is ready. I turn off the heat already. This is our turning cocoyam. Guys, yes, the cocoyam. Can you see? It's ready. So you're gonna eat, okay? So, yes, our cocoyam. I'm going to serve. Every meal we make brings a smile to you. Taste the journey, taste the love, taste the blessings from above. Cooking simple, cooking bright. Turn your kitchen into life. And he's putting it for you and her. Yes. Is it sleeping? See, guys? She's already blowing this, so hot. This is our cocoyam porridge.
We stir it, fry it, bake it with pride. One big family, come on, step inside. Flora kitchen where the magic begins. From Africa to the world, let the food tune in. Delicious recipe.